Welcome to our quick and easy video on syncing work address attributes from Okta to Google Workspace. This process is straightforward and will guide you through each step. As we can see in Google Workspace, the address for our user is just California. Let's update this. First thing, log into the Okta admin console. Head over to Directory, then select Profile Editor. In here, look for Google Workspace User and then click on it. Here, you'll find an option to Add Attribute. Click on it. Here, look for Addresses Work Formatted in the Attributes list and select it. Once selected, don't forget to hit Save. Refresh your page to make sure Addresses Work Formatted has been successfully added as a custom attribute. Next, click on Mappings to proceed. In the Okta User to Google Workspace tab, you'll need to add an expression to the Addresses Work Formatted attribute. The full Okta expression can be found in the description below. Please note, feel free to adjust this expression to include the specific attributes you want to sync to Google Workspace. Now let's preview and verify. Type a username into the preview box to test the expression. Once you're satisfied with the results, click Exit Preview. Don't forget to click Save Mappings to keep your changes. Applying the mappings. If you want to apply these mappings to all users right away, click Apply Updates Now. If not, select Don't Apply Updates. Important: choosing Apply Updates Now will sync all attributes for assigned users to the app, not just the specific ones. Lastly, head over to Google Workspace and confirm that the address Work field has been updated correctly. And that's it. You've successfully synced work address attributes from Okta to Google Workspace. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.